Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine. And you?
Yes, sir. I'm also good. Yeah, I asked you for this meeting because I was going through the codes, but the seasonal code, I was not able to do it on my own. And also, I had few doubts related to the annual results which I was getting. So I thought that
Okay,
better
so you
I,
can
yeah.
simply share your skin,
Yes, sir.
then I will guide you. What's the
Yes,
problem?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you see my screen
Yes,
now?
yes, I can see. Yeah,
Yes, sir. So this is that annual code which you provided. So I was doing it for different year for different study areas,
yeah.
but the problem which I was getting is like that for all the area and for all the years. I don't know why, but I am getting the value of NDWI as a negative value only. Like even if after plotting the band and everything, when I'm seeing it in the map here in the below portion, even if I can see the water bodies, but the values are coming as negative only. So negative values, I think, is it because of the annual values are nullifying it or something like that?
Okay, okay. So simply go to the below of this code.
Sorry.
Okay, go to the below about this code.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay, so in this time, you want to make this type of imagery. Year 2007, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and
Yes.
further you also make the NDWI. So go to the NDWI code.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For the NWI, okay. For the NWI, you want to find out. Okay, you also calculate the NWI for this different years. Okay, so
Yes,
it
sir.
was
And
so okay.
for all the this is one study area, one district.
Yeah.
But I was doing it for different districts also. But it was all for all the district, like even the districts in Maharashtra, which are very water-rich districts, which I
Okay.
plotted and checked.
So
All
now
the
go to
values.
the reduce region function. Yeah. So in this time, reduce region function.
Hmm,
Here you can see. You call the NWI 2009. Okay,
hmm,
NWI
hmm.
2009, and then calculate the average NWI. So use our E reducer dot mean and max pixel. It's also okay, no problem. And further, you are just print this value, then you can
Yes,
get
sir.
the negative 0.1.
0.18. Similar values are coming for all the districts for all the years also. Like other districts also, I have checked
Okay, try
4,
to
5.
put the NWI for 2010 or other. Then I check.
Yes, sir.
Just change it to the run.
And sir, I have one more doubt regarding this chart, variable chart. I was trying to plot it. I saw one of your YouTube videos, but some error was coming for my this things.
Okay,
Yeah,
so now
so
try to check.
here, for 2010 it is coming minus 0.2240.
Okay. So it show the average. So you try to print the max value. Suppose EE reducer dot user the
Huh.
max and then check what the value you can get.
I have to delete this mean and I have to put max.
Max. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now click the run. So now I think we can get the positive value about that maximum NWI result.
Okay. So what does this sir max value mean actually? How can I write it?
So basically, this max value represented the on this time. Suppose year of in 2010, we find
Yes.
out the maximum value
Okay, maximum value of NDWI. Okay.
NWI. Now check. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now we
Now
can
we
get
are.
the positive value about that, and also try to check about the year other year.
Okay, let's say if I check for 2005.
0.24.
Yeah. And sir, is it possible to calculate the surface, this NDWI water surface area? I was checking in your video only, like you were teaching someone that there
Yeah,
is
it
one
also
code.
possible. Yeah, so in
Yeah.
it also possible. Suppose first of all we are just use the thresholding value.
Hmm.
Suppose all of those basically NAWI, all of those positive value indicating the water. Okay.
Huh,
Suppose we get at then zero or get at then equal zero. All of those pixel we create, and
huh.
further from here we can easily calculate it the water body area. It also
Okay.
possible. So in this time we
Okay.
can get the 0.27. So it is the
Yeah, it's
maximum
coming
value.
positive now.
Yeah,
So
positive
rather
now.
than taking the mean value, I should go for maximum
Yeah, it
NDWI
also
value.
better because mean value it show the overall pixel, all
Huh,
pixel created them suppose a mean and max then divided by 2, then it
huh.
calculated the average. So
Uh-huh.
in this time we
And
also
one
try.
more thing,
Yeah,
yes, sir. One more thing I have to ask. In this variable image code where we were like putting this Landsat, we were adding the layer of Landsat in the software.
yeah.
Here, you when you wrote the code, this false was written till 2011. So later also I have added it. Is it fine? Later this false comma false was written for few years, not written for few years, so I have added it for all the years. Is it fine?
So mainly false we have to use in the map.add layer function.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So I have added, yeah, you added it only for like add layer function till 2011. So
Yes.
rest of the years add layer function I have added it just
Yeah.
comma false.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
fine?
Same.
Okay.
Same. Same. Your thing
Yeah,
is
and
right.
yeah, sir, just can you see this chart
Yeah.
one? This one, I don't know why it is showing this error generating chart in map
Okay.
ID 0. This error
Okay.
is coming.
So
Yeah.
in this time, you want to make the time series chart. Okay. So for in this time, we have to approach the another method. We have to create the band first. Okay. So
Okay.
then it will be
Okay.
work. So you can send me the code get link button and send me the code link. I also try to add this code. Then you can easily get the chart.
Okay, okay, sir. And yes, sir, I need, like, mainly I need your help for this seasonal data. Like, this is the code which you sent
Yes.
me. So, can you just tell me the steps once? Because I was not able to do it. Like, we were doing it for the annual.
Yeah.
Like, how do I proceed with
Same.
the
Same. You can
seasonal
simply
ones?
simply go to the below. Uh, so
Yes,
all of
sir.
those things in this time for our okay. So go to the go to this fast code. Go to the fast
Okay,
code.
yeah.
Here you can see the same approach. In this time, we are just we are just adding a new part. We are choose the seasonal month. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for each year. But all of
Hmm.
those things will be same. You can simply use
Okay.
the copy and paste your code. Then it also will be work. So simply go to the first code.
Hmm.
First code. I think it is second
Yes.
code.
First code this map one.
And
Or wait, should I open just one more like code and then I can do it? Yeah.
okay, first code mainly your previous code editor.
Okay,
1103. Yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
this one.
Yeah. So
Annual
in
one,
this
yeah,
time,
yeah.
yeah. So in this time, you can simply go to the below, go
Yeah.
to the below of this code, and copy from the copy. You try to copy from the map.add image 2005 or no
Here.
2000. Yeah. So go to the up,
Mm-hmm.
more. Yeah, more. Yes, from here. Oh no. Go to the below. Go to the
Sorry.
yeah, yeah. For our annual collection in AWS. So image 2005. Just try to copy from here.
Okay, 77 line. Okay,
It's
this one.
already done. It's already done. We are already make the annual collection in our second code. Okay, so you can
Huh.
simply copy from image 2005. Okay, our
Okay,
image
here.
2005.
Huh.
Yeah, yeah.
Here.
Try to copy and go to the last. All
Yeah.
of those things copy. Uh,
Huh.
yeah, simply copy and then paste in your this not here, not it's the third. Yeah, yeah. And go to paste here.
Okay, here. This
Go to the
one.
yeah. Go to paste here.
Paste in the below.
Yeah, below and the below. Yeah.
Okay.
So now try to run. Now we can check what happened. Okay. Okay. So in this time we are using the same approach, because in this time
हाँ
his
हाँ.
image version parameter is not defined. So you can simply remove and put the second bracket, and further you also define the image version parameter. Then it will be also work for the seasonal. Okay. So in this time we are
Okay.
just adding the time. Other all of these things will be same.
Okay, so sir, the only difference is like from here where I have like copied the code here, this annual collection you have made, you have already put the seasonal like filter
Yes.
here,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
calendar range.
Yes.
So that
Yes.
is already there. So I don't need to
Yes.
do anything about this. This is the same code like which you have
Yes. Yes.
provided in
Yes.
green
Yes.
font.
Same
Okay.
code, but in this time we are just add the new option, mainly seasonal. We can just put the seasonal time. So you can check the go to the app. You can check the we add the new line of code,
Huh.
mainly image collection. Go to the below.
Huh. Here you have
Ye-
added
Yeah,
like
yeah, calendar range. You can see you can put the calendar range, six to
here
nine
in the
months.
filter
Yes,
date,
yes, yes, yes,
so
yes,
how do I do it? First I like copy like import one shape file, then I map center, add layer, then
yes,
remove cloud, then
yes,
observation year, then
yes,
prediction bands.
yes,
Okay, then filter satellite image. This
yes,
filter calendar range is already there. I can edit
yes,
this 6 and 9 as per my requirement of
yes,
the months,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay, and rest this variation by this I have nothing to do, right?
No, no,
This one.
it's not. It's nothing about. You can also remove it. Also, no problem.
Okay, okay. And then I have to simply like copy similar to the other one, and then
Yes,
I
yes,
have
yes,
to.
yes.
Okay, but then how will it give the like seasonal one? Because in annual one also we were doing the same thing, right? We were.
Because in this time we are filtering the image collection. You can see the image collection. Go to the
Okay, so
app
in
Lancet
that,
875. We are also filtering the image collection. Suppose
hmm.
between this time period we take only for this season. You can see
Okay, so
2013
this
to
is
we,
the
yeah.
extra code
Yes,
which you
yes,
have
yes,
added
yes,
here.
yes,
So that is what is needed for the seasonal one.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Then I will just change this visualization
Yeah,
parameters.
yeah, yeah.
Rest things will be same, and I will.
Yes.
And sir, I have one more doubt. Like when we add this image visualization parameter, and when we stretch the layer in the filter, that thing. So
Yeah.
how you have told me to put it at 98%? How does it make difference from like other like or
Okay.
numbers hundred
So
percent?
basically, we are using as a stressing for our data visualization.
Hmm.
Suppose when I put at the 98% stressing,
Hmm.
then this data set coming from the 80% stress,
Huh.
and then show me the mean and max value.
Okay.
Okay, between this range, or 91% or 100%, then it would be 100% stressing and show me the visualization. So if
Okay.
you want, you can use the 98% or 91%. It doesn't mean anything because it's only for the visualization.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so doesn't mean anything.
Okay, sir. Then, sir, this chart code I will send you this get link, and then maybe I'll do this seasonal one, and then maybe I'll get back to you if I have any
Okay, no
doubt.
problem, no problem.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.